In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Steam game files. This quick maintenance task can fix a surprising number of issues, from random crashes and missing textures to updates that didn't install quite right. Think of it as asking Steam to double-check your game's installation and automatically replace anything that's corrupted or incomplete. First, open Steam. Make sure you're on your main account and that Steam is fully loaded. If downloads are running in the background, that's okay, but pausing big downloads can help the verification run a little faster. Next, go to your library. You'll see your list of games along the left side. Find the game that's acting up. This could be a title that won't launch, stutters after an update, or throws error messages about missing files. Right-click the game's name to bring up a context menu with several options. Click Properties. This opens a window with different sections on the left. You're looking for the Installed Files tab. This is where Steam stores tools related to the local files on your drive, including the verification feature we need. Now click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will start scanning the files it has on your computer and compare them against the official versions on its servers. If anything is missing, outdated, or corrupted, Steam will automatically re-download just those pieces instead of the entire game. Depending on the game size and your drive speed, this can take anywhere from a minute to several minutes. You'll see a progress bar, and it's best not to launch the game during this process. A few notes while you wait. Verifying game files generally won't touch your save data, but if a game stores saves in unusual locations or uses mods, it's possible some changes could be overwritten. If you use heavy modding, be prepared to reinstall or re-enable those mods afterward. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough disk space for any small re-downloads. When the verification finishes, Steam will report whether files were reacquired. If it found issues, it will have already fixed them for you. At this point, go ahead and launch the game to test if your problem is resolved. If things still aren't quite right, you can rerun the verification once more, especially after an update or if you've recently moved the game between drives. And that's it. By opening Steam, heading to your library, right-clicking the problem game, selecting Properties, going to Installed Files, and clicking Verify Integrity of Game Files, you give your game a clean bill of health with just a few clicks.